In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Android touchscreen dead zones. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix it. The first is going to be cleaning the screen, so removing oil, dirt, or moisture using a microfiber cloth, as these can cause false inputs. Then the second you want to do is remove accessories, so take off the screen protector and phone case to ensure they are not interfering with sensitivity. The third thing you want to do is simultaneously hold the power and the volume down buttons or volume up on some devices for 10 to 20 seconds to force a system reboot. Finally, all you need to do is ensure that you have at least 20% battery and sufficient free storage space, as low resources can also cause screen unresponsiveness. If none of those work, then the best thing you can do is going to be taking your phone to the nearest phone store. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.